I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education. You know, there are so many of you who have filled the engineering services exam form. The preliminary is in Feb, and I keep on getting messages and calls from many of the students that, sir, we have filled the form, but we are not getting motivated for this exam because number of seats are very less, and we, with whomsoever we talk, they say that it is very difficult, competition is very high, and why you are writing, why you are preparing for this exam. Now, let me tell you one thing. See, that is fact that engineering services में से railways बाहर चला गया है, and yeah, that is not a good thing. Railways were very good jobs, but you know, many of you who are aspiring to get into other good central government jobs, even today, the best jobs in government sector for engineers are in engineering services only. Please correct me if I am wrong. The best jobs in engineering in government sector for engineers still are in engineering services, where you for techno managerial. I'm not comparing here teaching jobs or research jobs. I'm talking about the techno managerial profiles. So jobs of military engineering services, MES, jobs in central PWD, for that matter, jobs in other departments like irrigation department, and also they are good jobs. I mean, once you get into central jobs, you get different kind of prestige and perks and salary structure and other benefits which you get. So they are still best jobs. So those of you who have filled this with one reason or the other, keep pushing it. As far as the competition is concerned, let me tell you very honestly, for getting the best, competition is always the same. If you want to get into the best, competition remains always same. Let me tell you, if in India for IAS, if number of seats become 150 and let us say it becomes 50, I tell you honestly, and you will feel it also, others you can discuss with the people who cleared these exams, they will tell you that yes, competition remains same. Even if seats is 150 or 50, competition remains same, because they are one of the best jobs. Similarly, engineering services, IES job, Indian engineering services jobs, they are one of the best jobs in engineering. So whether the number of seats is more or less, competition is going to remain same. If railways is added to that, even then competition remains same. There are a couple of factors, like many students are not even filling the forms. Why? Because now railways is not there and number of seats are less. So that way competition has gone down, and because number of seats are reduced, so that way you can say there is a thinking of the students, okay, number of seats is less, now competition is less. Competition is less, number of seats have become less, number of people who are filling the form is also less, competition remains same. That is somewhere like that. So with that mentality, if you write this exam, and why I am saying that is, with whomsoever I interacted, and there are so many videos on Your PDA, you can see selected candidates of engineering services after railway seats were taken out. And when I asked them this question, that what motivated you to write this exam, they said we never did any analysis. We just filled the form and then prepared. We never did any analysis, we just gave our best. And when you give your best without making much analysis, you get the results. So give your best without making much analysis, that will give you a result, and keep motivated. So if you are aspiring for something really good, something really big, you should not make much analysis, you should give your best. Yes, you should know what is the best strategy. You should know what is the best strategy. I am not saying that you make the wrong strategy. What is the best strategy that you should know? You should give your best effort. These two things are in your control. After that, you should not make much analysis. Let the result come, it does not come, it comes late, it comes soon. That analysis you should not do. You should give your best and wait for the result to come. With that mentality, you should go for exams. And once you keep on preparing, once you have decided that I want to get into public sector and government sector, तो एक चीज तो पक्की है कि आपको wait करना पड़ेगा. It is going to take some time. Be patient, persevere, persist. So these 3 P's, please remember. You need to be patient, you need to wait, you need to persevere, आपको लगे रहना पड़ेगा, and you need to be persistent. जो एक काम कर रहे हो उसको आपको काम को बार बार करना पड़ेगा. Persist करो अपने आप को, छोड़ो मत. Don't quit, don't be impatient, just keep putting effort, and results come to those people who follow these things. Hope I have made my point clear. Keep motivated, keep pushing, keep putting effort. Listen to positive things, don't listen to negative things, and start losing your confidence. It's all the game of motivation and confidence at your part. So keep pushing ahead and keep preparing. Thank you.